Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? 7:35. We just got our unemployment numbers out. We were looking for 66,000 jobs. We hit 130K. All right. So that's a nice number. Here's your cues right now. All right. We talked about this yesterday. We're still sitting with our support levels at that 612.35. All right, we're not moving on that number here. All right, so wait to see happens here. I haven't. I'm still stuck on that SPY at that 68. On the SPY, I'm still stuck at that 687 range. All right, for me, I'm not moving off that number yet. So we see if we can expand here today now. All right, so cues. All right, so we've made a move up here. Is that going to get the day? No. Okay, so know that right off the bat. Okay, we're still stuck inside day, even with this move to the upside. All right, so that's telling by itself. All right, so that's the cues. We pulled the SPY up. Okay, SPY. What do we got here? Trying to get back up to 696.54. We just did expand up to 695.72. So we're starting to come back up a little better there, but we've cooling off just a tad. All right, so still need some. You're still gonna need up to get almost 690, 60, 696.60. All right. So still a ways off on that. All right, nice move to the upside SPY. All right, diamonds are better on this too. Diamonds ran up. I noticed that right off the bat, I saw the materials pop, and I saw the XLK pop. Okay. And energy's been moving up all morning, so energy's been a little bit better. We'll see if we can get those discretionaries get going here. All right. When we talk discretionaries, we talk about Walmart, we talk about Target, we talk about Lululemon. These have all been on the move here. Okay, so we'll see what comes here. All right, so 504.17. Made a new high. I hate when they say that. Oh, there's a new high. It's like it's gonna make a new high every hour. All right, so until they really start to break them down, I won't have to listen to that anymore. But 504.15 right now, we're still stuck inside day here. Got to get through 505.30, see if happens there. All right, so the numbers were pretty good across the board. A lot of government jobs were cut, and there was a lot of healthcare jobs. Like almost 80,000 jobs on healthcare, and a lot of some manufacturing jobs as well. So this is a good number. We'll see what happens. The diamonds came down on the shooter down yesterday, so there was under pressure yesterday. I think there was some worry about this number that we're waiting for, and just some other things in the fact that AI is still garbagey and not doing anything. Looking at them across the board right now, nothing too much, man. I got Apple a little bit higher here. Nvidia's up about $2 and change. I got Google at 319.82, closed at 318.63. All right, I love Tesla, but I like it on pullbacks anywhere below 420. I think you can get some Tesla in there. Amazon still stays down. I don't see what's going on with that one, and Meta's still garbage. But Meta is popping up a little bit here, up about $4 right now. And I got Amazon moving up about $2 and change. All right, so futures seem to be holding. We have kind of peeled back a little bit, but the diamonds are making a late push here now. All right, so gonna have to get through 505.30, and then I just talked about, right, XLY on your discretionals moving to the upside. This one does never really show us too much, so XLY discretioners, there we'll see if that group can get triggered by this. XLE on your energy, there you go, 54.15. We're starting to get to this point on XLE where she starts to bust out, and she split. This thing was at $98 or something like that. So this is after the split and all this business coming back pretty good. All right, so we'll see if energy can be the star today. I don't know. That group is pretty good. I'd like to see the utilities kick in with them too, and we'll see. We'll take a peek at the utilities. What do we got on the XLU? We'll take a peek there. All right, XLU. What do we got there? Coming back up here right now. All right, so starting to see a little bit of movement. There was a good day yesterday. I got two up on the. I got two up on the week, two up on the month. I'm gonna find us some nice. Here I got a couple right off the top of my head. Take that knee. All right, take that knee energy. All right, 91.11 here. 91.96 to get out of the business here, so you're still stuck inside there pretty good. Just a couple quick ones. There's Duke of Earl, 123.64, 123.80. That one's kind of still stuck inside day there too. And we can look at the Southern Man. Southern Man gonna 91.19 on Southern. All right, we'll see if we can get that moving up from there as well. All right, so that one, energy, we just talked about. XLP, we'll take a peek. I just don't see it, right? I keep telling you, XLP, whenever the market gets better, these guys are going to pull back. All right, so XLP back down. Earnings yesterday on Coca-Cola, horrible. Just a mess. So what's going on there? I just don't. I get it. You know, people are drinking less beer, less Coke. Everybody wants to be healthy, man. That's what it seems like to me. I'm not saying that Coke isn't healthy for you, but it's got some sugar in there, I think. All right, so XLP, there you go. Look for a little bit of a pullback down there, and then I want to go through the names that we have here this morning. Mattel just absolutely got crushed for the Christmas season. I just absolutely murdered here. All right, so Mattel closed at $21.06, and we got what do we have here? We're down. They missed on earnings. Stock is down a little over $6. It's sitting down at like 28.5%. All right, so just absolutely murdered on Mattel. Barbie's crying. It's Valentine's Day's coming. Oh, Maron. It's going to be horrible. All right. So Mattel, nobody's even going to take Barbie out. It's crazy. All right. So there we go. Coming back down on Mattel. That's kind of a big miss there. All right. So that is not the best. All right. So Mattel. What else we got? I got Lyft. Lyft is a pretty big. When I put on when I put on Twitter, I say big mess. That means that it's a big miss, but I just change it to mess. Okay, so if you see that on there, and if you don't see it, then you haven't never seen me on there. You probably should try to check it out. All right, so Lyft, 1685 down to 1423, coming back down, guys. All right, so that's taking the day down. Oh, getting crushed. All right, I can't find lower. All right, so $15 right now on Lyft. We're at 1422. 1422. We're going to get a nice gapper down here. You know what? That might be a little overcooked. Watch that one on the opening. I like to see it take a digger dive down, reverse, and then go up. You might get Lyft at a cheap price there. Keep an eye on that one on the opening. That's a pretty big move to the downside there. All right, so net, you know, when you go fishing, you have a net. 204.06 net is Cloudflare moving away, okay? Moving away to the upside here, guys. 203 and change. All right, so really nice move here. Taking out all this business. If you want to triangle it all out, it's going to take you back to 206.30. All right, net. Nice move to the upside there. And that was on good earnings and good rev and good guidance. That's what happens when you get that. All right. What else here? Lyft, Mattel. How about Shopify? Shop is good. All right. Shop is real good. All right. So Shop to the upside here. All right, it's a little help from the unemployment numbers as well. All right, they're coming back inside right now. So I got them on 15 minutes there. So they already flipped here on this new 15, 7:45 coming into the day. All right, Shopify moving to the upside, guys. We got 140 bucks. So somewhere in this range in here, probably that would have to take you triangle out 144.14 back up on that nice hammer day there. All right, which turned into death spiral. Look at that with the 3 2 2 2 2 1 2 puker down. Ugh, nasty. Okay. Couple other things. These cyber stocks, man. I watch them. Fortnite's been pretty good actually. It's 2 up on the month. It's 2 up on the week. I mean, I don't think you're going to get hurt with these stocks. I think they eventually, they're not on the frying pan right now. They got other stuff cooking. So, if you're ever cooking on a grill, you only got so much space for stuff, all right? So, the stuff that that's going to cook longer is going to take up more space. Okay. All right, so I just think that keep an eye on them, all right? That's what I'm doing. I'm watching them from afar. I like this Stupido, RPD. This is Rapid 7. This thing's been really kind of clocked down to $7 here. Now lower this morning on the Rapido OL Bandido to the downside, all right? $7.73. All right, so I don't know. Maybe this is a if it pukes here, it gives me down to like maybe 6 and change. Yeah, it's like I said about Lyft. All right, I mean that. I think that's giving us a little bit of a discount there this morning. Okay, so went through the earnings. We got that Mattel, we got Net, we got Shopify, we got Lyft, and we got Mattel. I got Cisco. Just been an absolute beast. Just a beast of burden and any other one beast you got. All right. Cisco reports today after the close. I expect good things. No, we're not buying it up here, especially if it clicks up a 91, 92. No. All right. I made some money in it. I still should be in it, but I'm not. But we'll see. That was a pretty good shooter coming back down yesterday, if that tells you anything. All right. But you got Cisco reporting after the close today. All right. We will get our January CPI numbers on Friday, so be aware of that. We had a good jobs number. Now you follow that up with a good CPI. CPI typically should be before unemployment because our government can't seem to function properly. It's pushed up to a Friday. It's always on a Wednesday, okay? And it's always at 7:30 in the morning. It's going to be 7 in the morning Friday. We should have got unemployment last week, all right? So just jumping some things around, trying to throw people off. All right, I think I'm going to leave it at that point, right? That's about 13 minutes. We'll take one more quick look at the futures. All right, so and I'll go through my numbers again here. All right, I'm still sticking with 687 and 687. Where am I? All right, I'm like 680. I know I wrote it down. 687. I'm going to go with 687.04. 687.04. All right, so that's my number, my support level. I could actually go up a little bit higher and say that's 688.32 coming back up a little bit better there. All right, we got a nice move here today. We have not yet taken day up. All right, we still haven't done it here. We're getting closer here now. SPY just popped up to 696.01, but you still need 696.54. You're narrowing it though. That's for damn sure. All right, looking at the Qs. Qs have made a real nice move here now. Let's see if they can hold. All right, 615.87. And we're chasing down on the triple Qs on the day at right right? It's the old ESPN thing. 6:15:30. All right, 6:15:30. We take the day on the Qs. There you go. All right, Qs is taking the day. We got that going on here. And we got SPY on the hunt. And we got diamonds here at 5:04:15 starting to batter up. I'm sticking with it. Okay. If healthcare starts to turn around, don't chase them. Okay. Energy should go. If energy doesn't move on this go, you probably gotta stay with the XLBs and stick with the XLKs. And I think that the discretionary should get better, but we'll wait and see, because this Mattel business kind of put a cloud over everybody on this thing here a little bit. So I'm a little leery and I'm a little Larry. All right, so but futures look good. They've given us good guidance here, so let's see what the rest of the day brings. I will definitely be talking to you at noon sometime like that. All right, be good, be good.